What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to practice flying helicopters in custom game for Battlefield 6. So it's really easy to do. First of all, we need to go to the community section. Under it, don't select browse servers option cause it will have online players with you and that can sometimes cause some trouble to join any server. So that's why I'll select the search experiences option. In this option, we need to search for the experience we wanna have. So I wanna practice flying helicopters. So that's why I'll just search here helicopter or heli like so. Now as you can see, bunch of experiences are now shown here, but I don't know which one should I prefer. So that's why we need to sort it by most popular or most liked. I prefer most liked, so that's why I'll just select most liked from here. Now you can see this server has 8000 likes, which proves that it is a very good server. This one has 430 likes. So I check both of these things, its popularity and its like. So let's say I find this server on the servers tab instead of experiences, then I can just hover over that server and you can see I have the join option straight away here. But if I select this option, then it can sometimes makes me trouble while joining the server cause it has 32 players limit. So many times the limit is full, or in case you successfully join this server, then you won't be able to practice freely cause there will be some online players available which can sometimes shoot you down. So that's why I prefer joining server from the experiences tab. So let's say I wanna join this server, then I can just select that, then click on host. Now scroll down to the bottom. If you wanna practice with online players, then select the host option, but I wanna practice myself. So for that I'll select the second option, which is host locally, and once you select that option, it won't take any loading time cause it will straight away join you into that server cause you are the only one playing in that server. No loading time and no online players. So we just have to wait a bit until this server loads. So this is the map of the experience. Scroll down to the bottom left and these are the jets, these are helicopters. We wanna spawn here. So take your cursor here and press space on keyboard or A on Xbox and cross on PlayStation, and then you will be able to teleport to that position. So here are the jets and helicopters are here. We can just go over any of the helicopter and then press E on your keyboard to enter on that helicopter and then hold the space bar to fly. So this is the easy way to practice helicopters in Battlefield 6. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.